Rich with hyaluronic acid, manuka honey, and aloe vera. These natural toners are perfect for year-round glowing skin. Hi everyone, welcome to WholeElise. I'm Elise, and here's how to make amazing facial toners and sprays that are perfect for that everyday summer glow. First up, we have this action-packed toner. Now, specifically designed this to give you everything that you could want. We have hyaluronic acid, concentrated aloe vera, botanical extract, humectants, all within this one little bottle, and is perfect for everyday use. Let's start with measuring the ingredients to make this toner serum. We'll need distilled water. If you can't find this, then using cooled, freshly boiled water will also work. Any herbal or floral hydrosol. For this recipe, I'm using manuka honey floral water, but you can use rose, lavender, or anything that you prefer. Next, aloe vera concentrate. Now this is 10 times the strength of normal aloe vera juice, but you can also use that if you don't have this available. D-panthenol, which is vitamin B5. This is a humectant and skin conditioner that moisturizes your skin. Glycerin, again another humectant that also hydrates your skin. Xanthan gum, this is what gives our toner that body and sensory boost that you get with the best serums. A preservative, here I'm using Preservative Eco, which is a natural preservative, but for a list of other natural preservatives, check out WholeElise.com. And lastly, our star ingredient, hyaluronic acid. So there's a lot of buzz around hyaluronic acid at the moment, but just to clear a few things up, it's not actually an acid. The purpose of hyaluronic acid is to attract moisture to your skin, so similar to something like glycerin and honey, but it is leagues above other humectants. In fact, hyaluronic acid can hold up to 1,000 times its own weight in water. So this has the potential to provide intense moisture to your skin, and it really makes a difference when you include it in your skincare. Hyaluronic acid replenishes your skin's moisture reserves by constantly pumping it with water throughout the day. You'll usually find it in two forms, either as a gel like I'm using today, or a more concentrated powder. Depending on its molecule size, hyaluronic acid can actually penetrate deep into the epidermis, visibly improving the look and feel of your skin. For more information on the ingredients used in this toner, along with the full written recipe, click the eye icon above or visit WholeElise.com. To make this daily toner serum, begin by mixing the glycerin and xanthan gum together. Xanthan gum not only helps create a silky serum that gently absorbs into the skin, but it's a proven moisturizer in its own right. Natural gums condition the skin, providing emollient-like benefits without having to use oils. In a large bowl, combine the manuka honey hydrosol, hyaluronic acid gel, aloe vera concentrate, and D-panthenol, mixing until they're evenly incorporated. Then add the water and preservative. Whisk thoroughly until you can't see any of the preservative and the toner is clear. At this point, we can add in our xanthan and glycerin mixture from earlier. Pour it into the toner solution and whisk to ensure that the xanthan is fully dispersed throughout. Make sure that there are no lumps so that you get a silky smooth serum consistency. So unlike with regular watery toners, this has a really lovely consistency. That little bit of body we gave it gives it a velvety feeling on your skin. It also makes it a lot easier to apply. There are no rules when it comes to applying toner. You can bottle and apply it however you'd like. Using a traditional bottle, the toner can be easily poured out and applied directly to the skin. It has this wonderful skin feel that doesn't immediately absorb or run off the skin like watery toners. It also doesn't leave a tacky residue either, but you can still feel that your skin has a layer of protection as the moisture sinks in. You can also use a pump style applicator bottle that will release a small amount of the toner directly into a cotton pad. The unique thick water consistency of this toner makes it great for applying with a cotton pad. Traditional watery toners will immediately absorb into pads, wasting a lot of our oh so precious ingredients. But because this serum toner is thicker, you can pour it onto a pad without fully saturating it. In fact, even with adding toner, you can see that the reverse side of the cotton pad remains dry. Facial mists and sprays need to be potent enough so that they instantly hydrate your skin, but light enough so that they don't take forever to dry. Unfortunately, they're really simple to make. Here's how. Lightweight hydration is key to a good facial mist, and for that you'll need hydrosols. Real hydrosols and floral waters are water-based plant extracts that use steam distillation to capture the essence of botanical matter, such as fragrance, anti-inflammatory and skin renewal properties. They're so much more than just scented water, and come in as many varieties as there are plants. You can even make them yourself. Click the eye icon above for my tutorial on how to turn any plant into a hydrosol. To make our facial mist, we'll need distilled water, aloe vera concentrate, your favourite hydrosols. I'm using orange, rose, chamomile and manuka honey floral waters. You'll also need glycerin and a preservative. Links to the full written recipe along with more DIY skincare tutorials are in the description box, or you can click the eye icon above at the top of the screen. In a container, pour your water, aloe vera, hydrosols, glycerin and preservative. Mix thoroughly to make sure that everything is combined. I'm using this milk frother, but a normal whisk will work just fine. Once the bubbles subside, you should have a crystal clear liquid. The applications are pretty much endless when it comes to products like these. You can use this as a refresher spray, a toner, before or after applying makeup. Anytime you feel like your skin could do with a little extra boost, you can use this spray. And the best part is, it's not just limited to your skin. You can actually use this spray on your hair and get amazing benefits. Your choice of bottle is actually pretty important. You want a spray or mist bottle that can produce a fine mist. Think more gentle cloud of steam and less hosepipe to the face. Facial toners and sprays are really easy to incorporate into your skincare regime, so you should definitely give these recipes a try. You can find the full tutorials along with more information at WholeElise.com. Subscribe and check out the videos on screen for even more DIY skincare.